Welcome to the Studs Ninja 3G part replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor mechanism replacement. Open the visor fully first. Then push the visor opening lever and gently pull the visor out from its mechanism. The visor will detach from its casing as shown in the video. Repeat the process on the other side. Pull the visor outward. Now to remove the visor mechanism, use a screwdriver to open the screws and gently pull out the visor mechanism from its space. Keep all the parts safe. You will need them to reassemble the visor later. To reinstall, place the visor mechanism back in place, then screw it. Check that it fits properly. Finally, align your new visor inside the mechanism until secure. Operate your visor to see if it is working properly. Chin guard and wire assembly replacement. To replace the chin guard, first open the chin guard screw by turning it anti-clockwise and pull it out with washer. Now gently remove the chin guard from the helmet. Repeat the same process on the other side of the helmet. The chin guard is now completely detached from the helmet, as shown. Next, open the chin guard backplate screw to replace the backplate. Carefully pull the chin guard backplate completely out from its slot. Now reinstall the new chin guard backplate into its original position. You can also replace the chin guard wire assembly located inside the chin pad. To replace the chin guard wire assembly from the chin pad, first open the chin pad screw and remove the chin pad. Now unscrew all the screws securing the wire assembly. Carefully pull the wire assembly completely out from its slot. Replace the wire assembly with the new one. To reinstall, place it back into its original position and tighten all the screws securely. Now place the chin pad back and fasten it with the screw. Reinstall the chin guard into its original position. Insert and tighten the screws on both sides of the helmet. Press the chin guard button. Finally, operate the chin guard to ensure it is functioning properly. Sun visor replacement. To replace the sun visor, first open and remove the front visor. Now open the sun visor using the sun visor strap. The sun visor is attached to its assembly, as shown in the video. Now remove the top housing cap carefully. Then pull out the sun visor strap. Carefully pull the sun visor out from its assembly, as shown. Now gently remove the sun visor and strap from the helmet. To reinstall, first insert the sun visor into its assembly and ensure it engages properly. Then insert the sun visor strap into the housing and place it back into its original position. Reattach the cap securely. Now completely insert the sun visor into its assembly. Check that the sun visor is operating properly. Finally, reinstall the front visor into its original position. Cheek pads replacement. To remove the cheek pads, gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the two snaps opening. Then pull out the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheet comes out of the helmet. Repeat the same for the other side. Now both the cheek pads detached from the helmet. To reinstall the cheek pads back, push the plastic sheet inside first and then snap the cheek pads back in its place. Liner replacement. The liner on the helmet can be removed for cleaning and replaced as necessary. There are the locks in the front liner in which its inserts fit in. Remove them one by one. Then remove the plastic sheets from the sides and the back. The entire liner is removed now. You can clean or wash it and insert it back into its original position. Insert the plastic sheets back into its original position. Make sure that the front liner inserts fit into their locks. Do a final check to see whether everything is in place and operating correctly. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studs.com or get in touch with your nearest Studs dealership.